hated everybody who ever amended the constitution. That in about 10 or 15 years, we have 5 amendments of the constitution, and yet this constitution, the 1995, of all the constitution revived, the independence constitution, the pigeonhole constitution, the 1967 Republican constitution, and this one, none of them compares with the time that was taken, the involvement of the people of Uganda in the making of this constitution. So I asked, in my judgment it is there, I asked the question, what is it that has happened? What is new, what is different that will make the people of Uganda change from what was put in the constitution for us to amend? The mistake made in the Constituent Assembly was not to entrench, not to secure, not to make it difficult for anyone to amend the provision on term limit. That one really, I would take responsibility like anybody else who was in the Constituent Assembly, that we should have secured, we should have entrenched that provision. But what I wept for this country for was the lifting, the removal of the term limit. I think that is where we lost as a country. Does he say which amendment of the constitution has given the president more powers?
Constitutional crisis.
Many people told me, even told us, that we were the only people in whom the people of Uganda had hope to block Museveni from a life presidency. So I asked the question, how would we block Museveni from a life presidency? By rejecting the amendment by Parliament lifting the age limit. Do you see the fallacy?